Samsung is back with another game changer, the Galaxy S25 FE. This is the fan edition we've all been waiting for, packing premium features at a price that won't break the bank. Let's dive into everything you need to know. The S25 FE brings a sleek design inspired by the flagship S25 series, but in a more affordable package. It rocks a stunning 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and HDR10+ support, perfect for movies, gaming, and everyday use. Under the hood, Samsung packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy in the US, making this phone lightning fast for gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps. Paired with up to 12 gig RAM and 256 gig storage, the S25 FE delivers flagship-level performance without the flagship price tag. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. The front camera is a sharp 32-megapixel shooter, giving you incredible selfies and crystal clear video calls. Plus, Samsung's AI-powered image processing takes your shots to the next level. The S25 FE packs a 4800 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging and wireless charging support. Of course, it runs One UI 7 on Android 15, offers IP68 water resistance, and has all the premium extras like stereo speakers and 5G connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is shaping up to be one of the best value phones of the year. Flagship power, awesome cameras, and premium design, all at a much friendlier price. Would you pick this over the S25 or iPhone 16? Let me know in the comments.